The love of God is calling here, and in the next few minutes, you are going to receive His incredible love to these words. Know that God is for their flat, and when you are in search of true love, no person can help you feel bad except God. My love is unlike any other. It is boundless, unconditional, and unwavering. It surpasses human understanding and reaches into the depths of your soul. In a world, real love can sometimes be fleeting or conditioning. God's love remains constant. It is a love that embraces you in broken miss, forgives your shortcomings, and offers you a sense of belonging that transcends gladly relationships. Perhaps you have been searching for love in the wrong places, seeking fulfillment in human connections that fall short of the profound love God offers. His love is not contingent upon your successes or failures. It is not based on your opinions, achievements, on the opinions of others. God loves thee simply because you are His creation, and His love is a gift free given to all who win the hundreds to receive it. Take a moment to reflect on your life and the yearning for to lab that sights within you. God's love is the answer to that, your name, the missing piece that completes the puzzle of your existence. Allow His love to fill them white, heal all wounds, and bring a sense of purpose and joy into your life. His love has the power to renew your spirit and still hope in times of disappear and passed up fear. It is love that knows no bounds, reaching you in your highest highs and lowest lows. When the war on disappoints, God's love remains a constant source of strength and solace. So, my friend, let go of the search for love in places that cannot satisfy your soul. Time to God, the source of infinite love. Open your heart to Him, for in His lap, you will find a fulfillment and a peace that transit and this 10 men. Receive His love today, and let it be guiding light on each meal, freak and self-discovery. May God bless you forever. A man.